here as well. One on the charger at all times. This is for my grinder, which I do keep down there. So this is just random sockets, just random things I should say. I just showed you guys that. A bunch of extensions and ratchets and bars to give you some extra leverage. Just got random things in this toolbox. I have a lot of extra stuff. Like I said, guys, I didn't want to fill everything up there. So a lot of the things here that you see, I do have a ton of extra stuff, I should say. A lot of these things are just random. I'll quickly open it for you guys. These are good for me. This is my drive shaft, O2 sensor, and crank pulley. OBD sensor is a must-have as well. So guys, I do have a socket organizer thing going on here as well. I've never had this before. I am missing a ton of sockets, but I have most of the ones that I need for my car. My car is a Honda, so it's generally 8 mils, 10 mils, 12 mils, 14, 17, 19, and 32, 36. That's mostly what you see on the Honda. I know some people will correct me. That's mostly what you see. Moving down, I got a bunch of random screwdrivers. I have a bunch of random screwdrivers in there as well. Sockets. Like I said, guys, I don't want to put everything up there. It's just some go-to stuff that are very easy to grab. But I have a bunch of clamps in here, pliers, things of that sort. Some cutters, stuff like that. Got a bunch of bigger hammers in here. See, I have 4 hammers up there, but there's another 5 or 6 hammers inside of here. It's a bunch of saws at the back as well. I've got one up there. Again, guys, it's all about, you have to decide what you're going to keep in here and what you need over there. I have 4 of these straight line makers. I don't know what it's called, and I've only used this maybe once or twice in my life. This is from my grandpa using tools over here. And so I got my power tools down here, my big guys. Sawzall, saws, jigsaw, sanders. I got my grinder here, another jigsaw. My nut blaster, heat gun, orbital sander, palm sander I should say. Oh, already went through that. This is just a bunch of random things like a mask. See, these drawers are unorganized, but I do know where most of these things are at all times. That's what needs to be organized. Of course your toolbox needs to be organized as well, but I made that my priority over this. So like I said, guys, anybody could do this job. It was very simple for me to do this job. I love my workbench. I love my pegboard. It's very simple. I just pull tools off whenever I feel the need to use them. So guys, let me know in the comments if there's anything I should improve on. If there's anything that you guys liked, please like the video, give me a subscribe, and hope you guys enjoyed the video.